It's a unicorn. 70 bucks. Comes with a mirror that broke, but I can glue it back together. I think I have all the parts. Laminate top. I don't love that, but it's in good shape, so I do love that. And then there's actually a sticker in here from somebody. I don't know who. Does it say Franklin? Anyhow, it seems to be mostly there. So relatively straightforward, simple, easy fixes. There's some scratching on the side from being moved on a two-wheeler. I suspect maybe somebody moved out or left this earth and left this furniture behind, and maybe the other folks in a multi-unit apartment were looking to make a few bucks before they said they're going to throw it in the dumpster. So I'm glad I got it. Don't be an idiot and take the time. Take the drawers out. Set up your vacuum. Kind of a long snoot. It's kind of funny looking. Oops. Oop. Yeah. And if this is the first video you're watching about flipping, which kind of blows my mind, people do number the drawers. I mean, yeah, put it on the back. That's what I like. Put it on the back so you never see it. But sometimes these drawers and stuff are fitted at the factory in such a way that they don't all fit the exact same way. I'm also examining the drawers to see if they're crooked or have any broken rails. I want to make sure these are in good shape, and they look to be. You also check to see if these rails are wiggly. Screwed down instead of nailed. That's a good thing, because then they stay put. And then always check for money. Sometimes people leave small fortunes in their dressers. And so, obvious dirty stuff like that, fuzzies. Goodbye, fuzzy. So I'm going to get you up close so you can see what this does. I think this might have been stored somewhere, like a basement or something. And I think it might have been someone who cleared out the storage space and decided to sell it. So I'm going to show you the difference this little vacuum can make. Okay, so you can see it cleaned up quite a bit. What I'm noticing, I'm going to come back and when I get it clean with some kind of soap, I don't know, it looks like they maybe sprayed the dresser with the drawers in here. I thought this was dust, but I'm going to be curious to see how much of this wipes off when I have some kind of detergent and a washcloth. So let's see if you're seeing what I'm seeing. Yeah, so anyways, that's the plan. I'm just going to do this side now. But that's the nice thing about, this vacuum, although it twists off kind of easy. Um, it's a rigid. I grew up with shop vacs, but the battery always died. The nice thing is you can take off the battery. And if I need to get in there, if I need to clean up a dresser on location, I just bring this guy, and it works pretty well. You just want to pick up as much of that stuff off before you start doing a wipe with a degreaser or a detergent. So it comes with this wand. It does not come with this brush, but it's been a fantastic find if you can get your hands on a brush like this. So it makes this part of the job a whole lot easier. You can see where it's just fuzzy over here. I'm gonna stick a hand in there, but you can see the dust bunnies. You don't want that. You don't want people to see that. This thing's great. It's like a giant toothbrush. And best of all, well, maybe best of all, it works. But the system, you can just take the end off, or I just take the end off, throw the brush in there, throw the tube in here, and then throw the vac in there, and you can just take the whole thing in a 5-gallon bucket, along with your diaper box full of scrapers. So I think that's actually technically diaper wipes. So yeah, I love this little shop vac thing, dustbuster knockoff. Get it at Home Depot. If you register the batteries and re-register the fresh batteries you get, they will give you fresh batteries for life as part of the rigid tool lineup. So I have the rigid drill, the rigid impact driver as a set, and then I got this and some other things as extras. And I didn't think I'd use it as much as I do, but with furniture and the rental space, it's been perfect. Okay, another non-glamorous but smart thing to do for your best product is to put some wax on your contact points. So I made a whole video about this. I don't know if this will make it to the video also, but it was all shot on the same date, and it all matters, and it's not that hard to do. Super easy with the paste wax. I still say that an old sock is a pretty good applicator because of the an inside out old sock, because of the nubs in the sock hold the wax pretty well. Okay, so it's good to go. Move on to the fleet of drawers. And the components underneath here look pretty good. I feel like this dresser didn't get a lot of use. But we're going to help it last that much longer by keeping it from squeaking itself to death. Sliding back and forth. That'll keep the wood from drying out a little bit. Again, this stuff Johnson paste wax smells terrible. It smells kind of like paint thinner. But the petroleum distillates or whatever's in there, the VOCs, they make it spread like softened butter. And so it makes it super easy and quick to wax up. Wax up your contact points, wax up your rails and your guides, whatever you want to call them. So that's it. Those are done. Okay, nothing left to do but to throw the drawers back in. Technically, there's tons to do. Just not right now. Possibly, very probably not today. But I'll come back with maybe a bucket of water. Whew. I'm going to tell you, those drawers sliding like a dream. Boom, boom. This is a terrific shape for a dresser. And it is just shocking to me. I really got lucky with this one. $70. It has a mirror that's broken, but it's an easy fix. That'll be a video happening somewhere else. I'm just going to put that pin right there for no reason. But like I said, I think the people that were selling this maybe cleaned out an apartment or rescued it from going in the trash. And so it's mine now, and it needs tidying up, but one finger. Oops, too much. Close enough. It's an old dresser. All right, so I'm going to let that thing air out in here. And I'm going to go home. I'm going to have a conference with Shop Dog. I'm going to talk to him about smoky Canadian air and why he's not out for a walk right now.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more content like this.